Hi foodies, welcome to Mellowbites Platter Pleases episode number 2. In this episode, we are whipping up a stunning Italian fusion platter for 4, featuring herb rice, grilled cottage cheese and sauteed veggies, all topped with the luscious spiced bechamel sauce. Let's kick things off by blanching 12 to 15 cauliflower florets in a boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. I'm using my cute little Bergner pot here. It's perfect for quick blanching. Now, while that's happening, let's add 3 cups of water to a heavy bottom pot to cook our herb rice. Here I am using my Hawkins 4-liter anodized pot. Super reliable. Once the cauliflower is done, strain them off and keep it aside. This blanching process is just to ensure that cauliflower is cooked right in the sauteed vegetables but crunchy yet. Here I have got all the veggies prepped and ready. Let's move on to sauteing the veggies. To my Hawkins stir-fry pan, let's add 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Swap with olive oil if you prefer to. Once it melts, add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Saute them gently without burning the flakes. Time to add 1 cubed onion and saute it for a few seconds. Now followed by adding 1 chopped carrot, 4 to 5 green beans that slice. Saute everything together for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding colorful veggies is not only appealing but also it's adding more nutrition value. Meanwhile, the water for the rice has begun boiling. Let's add 1.5 cup of washed and soaked basmati rice along with salt to taste. I have soaked this basmati rice for 15 minutes. Cover and cook. Back to the pan. Add 8 to 10 chopped mushrooms and 1/4 cup of corn kernels. Here I am adding fresh corn kernels. Cook them until it turns tender. If you have canned corn kernels, make sure you add it while adding the blanched cauliflower, not at this stage. I love this combo of mushroom and corn, and I have already posted a mushroom corn pulao in my channel. Do check it out. It's a great lunchbox recipe. Next, toss in half red bell pepper and half green bell pepper. Give it a good mix. How many of you love adding colorful bell peppers to your sauteed veggies? Sprinkle some dried oregano for the aroma. Time to add a blanched cauliflower as well. Here we go, adding this blanched cauliflower at this stage is going to be perfect to keep that cauliflower crisp along with the other sauteed veggies. Add salt as needed for the veggies and keep sauteing until everything is perfectly done. Now let's marinate our 4 slices of paneer, each of 75 grams, with a teaspoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of chili flakes, oregano for the aroma and salt to taste. Rub the spices all over the paneer and let it sit for a while. If you're vegan, substitute paneer with tofu, and if you are a non-vegetarian, you can use chicken instead of paneer. The sauteed veggies are almost ready and the rice is almost nearly done. Time for the herb tempering. To a small tempering pan, melt a heaped tablespoon of butter. You can also replace it with olive oil. Let's add a tablespoon of chopped garlic, a teaspoon of chili flakes. Make sure you mix it really well, and 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs for aroma. All these tempering starts to make a heavenly aroma. That means it's ready. Pour this over the cooked rice and mix it really well. This herb rice is so simple, it's so aromatic, and it's great while made with basmati rice. Herb rice is ready. Let's make a creamy spiced bechamel sauce. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then stir in 2 tablespoons of wheat flour or maida until it turns sandy. Gradually add 2 cups of milk, whisking continuously to avoid lumps. Once you add on milk and mix it without lumps, add a dash of red chili sauce for the spice. Here I am adding a tablespoon of red chili sauce. Add an adequate salt and stir in continuously until it turns very smooth and creamy. Wow! So time to grill our marinated paneer. I am using my Nova electric grill, but feel free to shallow fry if you don't have a grill. Grill until the paneer turns golden and gorgeous. Let's plate. Scoop a bowl of fragrant herb rice onto a plate. Spread it evenly. Layer the golden gorgeous grilled paneer on the top and add a colorful sauteed veggies to the side, as abundant as you need. And finally, drizzle that spiced bechamel sauce all over, mouth-watering and bursting with flavors. It's just amazing. Do try this out and let us know how it turned out. See you soon in another delicious episode. Bye.